बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम।
Hi everyone, this is Guleen. I Ishani. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Gulisha. Well, today we have brought up a haul for you guys from our very favorite, Zara. So let's get started. Well, our first piece of outfit is this top I'm wearing. It's a top I bought on sale from Zara. It costs rupees 590 and fits really well.
So the next piece of item that we bought is this basic crop t-shirt which we got for around 490 rupees. That was the original price of this crop t-shirt, which is quite a good price.
Yes, and not just that, on sale right now it costs rupees 390. That means you are gonna get 100 rupees off. So isn't it a great deal? Moving on to our next outfits, here we go. So the next piece of item that we have got is a trekking of black color with lace details onto its bottom, and it costed us approximately rupees 1190, which is again a great deal, guys. Its original cost is 2790.
The next piece of clothing that we have got is a basic trouser, wide leg trouser. This is size S. It's really well on me.
The price of this trouser is 1190, and the material used in this trouser is really well. It fits just good. You'll feel so comfortable wearing it, relaxed wearing it. Go grab that now.
Also, just for your information, we have got each and every piece on sale. So whatever prices that we are telling you, it's all the sale prices.
Yes.
Which is going on. So you guys must go and grab all the pieces.
It's the sale is going on all the stores across India
And online too.
Yes, and so hurry up. So this is our next outfit that we bought again on sale from Zara. Each costs rupees 1190. Both has a deep V-neck, and it has statement sleeves as well, and it's quite authentic. I totally love it. The fabric is also good. I think it is, what's this? Is this crepe?
Yes, it's crepe satin, matte.
Yeah, so it's matte crepe satin. It's really beautiful. Moving on to her outfit.
So my outfit, it's a deep V-neck wrap dress. So it looks something like this. It has full sleeves and a button detail right here. So
Good.
yeah, it looks really beautiful for an evening party or something like that.
And
So
also for a date.
with your babe.
Yes, and also with your girlfriends. So we are gonna show you the full outfit here. Stay tuned with us.
So that's the full look, guys.
Yes.
Looks really good.
Next up is this beautiful silk satin top. It's a bodysuit and it's very graceful, guys. I totally love it. It's perfect for your date night and any occasion you wanna go on in the evening. Also, it's just for 990 rupees
Yes.
only. Actual price is 2790, but I again got it on sale, and on sale it was for
So
990.
the next outfit is this beautiful floral top. It has square neck and it's a deep neck top with full sleeves details, and we got it again for 990 rupees, and the size is again XS. So it is perfect for a brunch or any day event. Yeah, any day event. So beautiful.
Plus, I really love the front detail on her top. It has hooks on its front and princess cut.
Princess
blouse.
panel, yes.
Yes, it's pretty, very pretty in fact. Also, we got a faux leather trouser for just rupees 1190. Again on sale. It's of green color and I totally love it. See this.
So this is our final look, guys.
This is our next pick. It's a beautiful cardigan from Zara again, and it's oversized. I am wearing size XS, so size XS and S both fit on me, so I have bought size XS for this one since it's oversized and it's very warm, very beautiful, very nice and cozy and warm.
Yes, and also it's priced at 1590 and it is 100% cashmere.
Yes. So it's a great pick, guys. It's too warm, it is going to protect you in the chilly days of winters, especially if you're going around north.
Yeah.
So next up is her top.
Yeah, again, this is the variant of the first outfit that she was wearing. It's
Yes.
in the black color and it's super amazing. It's priced at 590 rupees and it is jersey fabric. So yeah, it fits amazingly and I think it's a worth buy. Every girl should have this basic
Yes.
crop top and
Yes.
so good.
And she paired it with a satin skirt, straight skirt with side slit. It's very beautiful. I love it. However, I couldn't get it in my size, unfortunately. So she bought it and I couldn't.
Also, she's gonna buy. She's just craving right here in the video. She's gonna order. I think she has already ordered the.
No, I haven't, but I will because I love it so much.
Yeah.
It's available online but not in the store. It was the last piece there, unfortunately, but never mind. I have picked up my piece in my way. Well, this is the one. This is a fall leather skirt here. I have paired it up with this belt, black belt with silver details and a silver top with a cardigan, of course. So it's a long skirt and with a middle slit. Alright, I love it and it's very beautiful, guys.
Also,
very,
it's
very
purely
beautiful.
vegan. It's fur leather and not made out of any animals. So yeah.
The price, yes, the price for this skirt is 1190. Great
Which
pick.
is quite affordable. And
Yes.
I mean,
For a
worth
piece
it
like
for
this,
yes,
for
exactly.
for a classic piece like this, yes.
Plus, I guess it has some animal print, right? I think it has snake
Detail,
print.
yes.
Snake print detail,
Yeah.
which is like carved on it. So it is a great buy.
So tell us if you're gonna order that in a comment section, please.
Yes, and we are going to show you the full look now. So
Yes. So our second last pick for this evening would be these outfits. Well, we are gonna show the bottoms as well super soon, but for now, I love this top. This is pure satin and it has pretty deep neck detail with padded shoulders, which is a great pick. Why? Because I bought it for just rupees 790. Isn't it great? I also love the pearl buttons here. They add to the outfit. Do you agree?
Plus, yes, even this neck detail, I love it. I mean, it's so classy. It's just amazing for 790 rupees. Yeah.
Talking about her top,
So it's again a basic square neck top, which is again made of jersey, and it has pretty long sleeves. It fits really well, and I think we bought it for 590 rupees again, and it's a must buy for basics. I mean,
guys, but the color. Look at the color. It's aubergine color. I totally love this one. And where do you get such tops? Lilac is in trend, purples are in trend, and then the violets are in trend. Why not aubergine? It is.
yeah. So now we are going to show you our bottom.
So how do you like my graceful, luxurious satin loungewear?
I love it. I love it.
I
personally.
too, guys. Look at the color. It's so beautiful.
Plus,
It's
the fabric quality is just amazing. Just amazing.
too nice. Look at this satin, and it's thick, so it is not going to stretch or leave the threads because it's very beautiful. Kind of imported cloth it has, yes. And look at the details of the loungewear. Okay, do you think that you've seen it somewhere? Where?
Disclaimer.
Where?
You remember her previous outfit? The bottoms, pants. It's the upper of that bottom.
Yes. So I bought, you have to buy both the pieces separately, and that's loungewear, so you can wear the trouser with this outfit, with this beautiful satin shirt, or you can simply pair it up with a sexy, beautiful top for, an amazing evening.
Yeah.
Also, the entire outfit costs approximately 2380. This one, the shirt is for 990 and the trouser is for 1190. Moving on to her beautiful, sexy, cozy. Yes.
So my pick is this lilac colored oversized jacket. I am in love with this piece, and it is just for 990 rupees in sale, and I think it's worth by the fabric quality. It's so good, you guys can see. It's amazing. I love it.
And not to forget, this piece could be worn a kind of chilly weather, or even the days which are normal sunny. It has such a great fabric, as in you're not gonna feel too warm while wearing it or too cold while wearing it, so it's just a perfect fit.
Yeah, I think it's perfect for autumn weather.
Of course. So we love it because it's lilac, our favorite. Mine.
Do the full look now. So
We forgot to mention the price for
this skirt, it is just for rupees 990. It's such a great pick.
It's denim, guys. Black is a must have for every girl, especially when it comes to skirts. It has to be in your wardrobe. So what are you waiting for? Go buy one for yourself from so many brands there, but Zara gives you the best ones. So answer then.
So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also, if you can, just share it, and
We would be glad if you can.
yeah. Okay, bye. See you
See
in our
you.
next video, which is gonna be H&M haul. So yeah, bye.
Bye bye.
ओ बेटा जी